Frosty.
It looks like Santa came, huh?
But I didn't hear any holy.
Look, I see. Is that Creighton?
What are these?
And I think that's Sophie.
Yeah, I bet the green stuff is Creighton's.
Because look, his
Oh, that's his stocking, isn't it?
that's yours. Look at Sophie, what you got.
I got fun.
Look at the Legos and the house.
Daddy?
Wait, so, wait.
This one's mine.
This is all your stuff right here. Why don't you take a look at your stocking?
What's this?
I don't know, but why don't you look in your stocking?
Open that.
Let's look at everything you got. Want to?
Let me see. Mama, you
You can open it, but let's look at
Here.
everything first.
Why don't you sit in your chair and take a look at your stocking?
Where did this come?
I think so.
I got a yogurt.
Sit in your chair. Let's see how it works.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
It's my size.
Yeah.
What else is it? More yogurt.
Do you want to sit in this?
More yogurt. Wow.
I think that was for your room. Look,
Look.
that was for your room, and it also makes a little
Oh.
I like it.
bag.
I am all puffed up. Ooh. Look, look, give me them. Oh, I like.
Ooh,